Every one of your internal body parts can either instigate the chi moving from what that body part does. But then again, moving the chi will also instigate how that body part will move. And so it's not like it's one or the other. It's an either or situation. And it's a question of how you direct your mind. Now, what happens when the front of the vertebrae lift is that they open up this space and the energy flowing out of the spinal cord translates into the body stronger. So what you have to realize is that you can't think of the spine as this dead object. Now can you all see that? That's what the whole spine is going to do. Put your hands on my spine. If I'm like this, do you feel anything particularly going through my spine?
No.
Now watch. Do you feel something going through my spine?
Definitely.
Okay, so that little thing connected my head to my spine. And I want you to let your elbows be bent until you can get everything that's in your neck to start flowing down your shoulders into your fingertips. And you should get a tangible sensation in your fingertips. We're going to go from your center to periphery. From your fingertips to your heart, from your heart to your fingertips. It doesn't just get stuck in your right hand and stay there forever. It has to circulate and come out to your left hand. It then has to come back from your left hand to your right hand. It has to come in from your right hand and go down to your left foot. It's got to come up from your left foot and end up in your right hand. You feel that something is going, it's going out of you.
It's like a little pump thing getting pumped out.
Yeah, I feel like lightheaded when
Yeah.
he takes it to him.
I'm pulling out of you, yes?
Yes.
You feel
There we
something?
go.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel good. Yeah.
So I'm going to go back. And it says chi, I'm pulling into you. I'm not using my own. I'm a lazy bugger. My philosophy is never use your own energy when you can use somebody else's. So we went through how to drop energy from the upper body to the lower body. But when you get down to your lower dantian, you now have to get that energy to drop through your legs from your lower dantian. And the trick is that you really have got to have a solid connection between your lower dantian and your feet. You can't be a little bit in front of it or a little bit in back of it, or what will happen is that will unbalance the forces inside your body.